नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, मैं मोहित शर्मा आपका स्वागत करता हूं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं संडे स्पेशल डेडलिफ्ट एंड दावत।
So yeah, आज का top set 170 kgs. I'm going to go for as many reps as possible. Come on, last. मैं बारिश कर दूं पैसे की जो तू हो जाए मेरी. Irrelevant song to the intro, but what's up, Bobbies? We are at my favorite restaurant in Bangalore, which is
Miller's.
46 Millers. And Shefali didn't want to come here, but I'm like, yo, we always go to where you want to go. Today it's going to be my choice, alright? We're going to be eating some good steak, some good soup, and then probably hop to another restaurant. Is there something you'd like to add to this intro?
Nothing actually. It's a nice Sunday evening.
Yes, Bobbies. I went to the gym, put one heavy deadlift, and now we're chilling out here, okay? They are blasting AC, by the way. I'm sure it's like 16 degrees here, cold, like really, really
We'll
cold.
get cold. In 30 minutes, you'll have a cold.
I'll be sneezing in like 20-30 minutes now.
Guys, he has the immunity of a 6-month-old baby.
I'm sure that even a 6-month-old baby has better immunity than I do, okay? I sneeze. I mean, I have my pollen allergy, girls. Pollen.
Pollen, huh? Pollen.
Pollen, Shefali allergy also. I sneeze every time I'm next to her. These breadsticks, probably the best breadsticks you'll have in Bangalore, but also heavy calories, huh? And she's dipping it in that garlic butter, which makes it even worse. Yeah, I'm not eating that. I'm saving calories for mains, Bobbies. Starting with one clear soup, Bobbies. It's a chicken mushroom soup, which, by the way, is one of my favorite soups. Yours too?
Yes.
Bro, chef, isn't that the most comforting soup ever? Solid soup, bro. Why are you drinking Diet Coke? It's so cold today.
Just because you don't want to drink Diet Coke doesn't mean I can't drink Diet Coke.
Enjoy your soup. Guys, it's freezing cold today, okay?
Yeah, guys, it's minus 2 degrees Celsius in Bangalore.
Bangalore में बर्फ गिरने वाली है, guys. It's so cold.
Man doesn't want me to drink Diet Coke.
Diet Coke. You see that group of girls sitting over there? They are my classmates from school. Guys, some girls from my school are here, guys. Should I go say hi? Should I go say hi?
They'll think you're creepy. Stop looking at them.
I don't think they'll think I'm creepy. I'm with a girl as well, okay? Look at that harissa chicken, bro. That is probably one of the most tender chicken you'll ever eat. Give it a shot, chef.
Bro, it cuts like butter.
Cuts like butter. That's what I like to hear. Taste?
Oh,
Good, huh?
too good.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Bobbies, I'm telling you, if you eat chicken, this place is a must. If you eat red meat, this place is a must. Bro, that's too good. I should probably focus on mine, but that's too good. Too good, no? Check this, huh? The chicken is so well seasoned, the juices are dripping from it, the skin tastes insanely good, and just the right amount of spice.
It's so good that I don't want to talk.
What did you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
Easy 9.5, bro.
This is one of the best preparations of chicken I've ever eaten. No cap, it's too fucking good. Bobbies, it's freezing cold out here in Bangalore. Mother chod, stop honking, man. I'm trying to record a video. Do you not understand the importance of my YouTube channel? My audience will come hit you. Bro, it's so cold out
It
here.
was actually cold.
But how was dinner?
Yummy.
Mental. Now we need to get some dessert, okay? I want something warm though. I'm freezing cold. How about some hot chocolate?
Sounds good. Bro, it's
Ouch.
not even December and it's already so cold.
Yeah.
We're still in the beginning of November.
Yeah, fucking cold, bro.
Let's go. We actually like winter. We're winter people, so
Why are you categorizing me with yo?
we are winter people. Deny it.
I'm denying it. I'm freezing out here, boss. देख रहे हो इस चेहरे को? She just sneezed. She was making fun of my immunity. Guess who just sneezed? Huh?
It's cold.
It is cold. But you were making fun of me. I have not
Button up.
sneezed. Where is the best hot chocolate in Bangalore? Guys, let us know in the comments. As per me, it is Lazy Susie in Indranagar. But if you guys have a hidden cafe which you think serves really good hot chocolate, do let us know, alright? Because the hot chocolate season is here and we will be consuming a lot of it for the next 6 weeks at least. So Bobbies, we are now headed to Smoor to go get some hot choc, alright? After that, we might go somewhere for dessert as well. What are you feeling? Are you feeling dessert today?
When am I not feeling dessert should be the question and the answer.
When are you not feeling dessert?
She's never said no to dessert.
Yeah, she's never said no to dessert. Whoa, almost hit that Mercedes, bro. Fuck, I would have gotten on heavy bill now. You have insurance, huh?
I have, and I'm sure he also has, but you don't have.
We out here at Smoor. Bobbies, I'm looking at the menu right now and they have 5 different types of hot chocolate. Some come with a shot of espresso, but it's too late in the night for us to have any coffee in it. So we're going for the regular 70% dark hot chocolate.
Bitter.
Bitter? No, it's just the right amount of bitterness. You'll enjoy it.
Easy.
Yeah, what's surprising is that it's 500 calories for 200 ml of that. That's a lot. Look at that hot chocolate, Bobbies. That's an Ecuador 70% dark hot chocolate. Do you think you'll like it?
Should I do a taste test?
Please go ahead. Look at that top layer just break. Smells beautiful red. If you guys are chocolate fans, then I'm sure that you will like a good hot chocolate.
Who is not a chocolate fan?
Who is not a chocolate fan? Good question. Perfect bitterness.
It's actually good.
And I like that bitterness.
Yeah, even I like it.
Yeah, but it's hot. This is for me, by the way. You want one, you can get one for yourself. Bro, we have licked this clean, okay? We are literally licking the spoon that it came with.
Guys, he's not letting me eat, drink, nothing.
It's my cheat day also, no? They've also given us some free chocolate on the house. This is the Dubai chocolate, which I thought I was a fan of, but after 2 bites, it gets too... Thank you, brother. Shefali is paying for this. Hey, all this chiller you should pay, okay?
Chiller?
300 rupees.
Guys, 300 rupees for a hot chocolate is not chiller, huh?
I paid 3K for dinner, by the way, and 500 tip. 3.5K I paid
Not my problem.
at Miller's. Thank you, brother. You know, I should just hire Shefali as my employee so that I can write off all these dates as business expense. The chocolate bark with some almonds. I want that.
I feel like more chocolates are more sugar than chocolate.
It is milk chocolate. Bobbies, should we get another dessert? I think I've had 3.2K calories so far. I can afford another dessert.
How many do you think I have had?
I don't know what you ate for breakfast and lunch. Hot chocolate too good, weather too cold. Third dessert, no plan. For now, we're gonna end this vlog. Do you have anything to add to this?
No, it was a cute day actually. Very chillax. Who says chillax? A very relaxed Sunday evening.
That's true. My camera barely came out because मेरा focus खाने पे था the entire time.
And on me. No,
Not really. Today though food only. Today food was mental. The hot chocolate was very comforting, thick, comforting, 500 calories. And yeah, I'm closing this day at 3.3K cals. That's like maintenance only. Time to go hit 20K steps and go to bed. That's it for this vlog. See you
in the
guys
next one.
in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.